Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install any setup or run any file without giving admin rights. So how you can do this, let's get started. First what you have to do is go over to your desktop and click on new, right click on it and then click on new and then make a new folder. Then just drag your setup and drop it on your folder. After this open your folder and here you will see your file setup. Now what you have to do is make a text file in your folder. Just go over to new and then click on text document, and here you have to type this command, but don't save it yet. Go back to your setup and then whatever setup this is, just copy the name. Make sure you copy the exact same name of the setup which you want to run, and then paste it after start. Once you do this, just click on file and then click on save as. After this you just have to name the file anything, but make sure you add the extension .bat file, and then set save as type to all files. After this click on save and then close this and then run the .bat file which you just created. After this, as you can see, it is running and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.